This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Bthrm. Off-grid living. Perfect for those wanting to live green. Seller's lovingly built self-sustaining home West off-grid support systems in place. Includes 400-watt solar panels for elec, rain WTR collection, propane for cooking/heat, and many mature fruit-bearing trees. Sunny, eat-in kitchen and cozy living area west floor-to-ceiling bookshelves. Spacious sleeping area on main and LG loft area above west room for 2 bdrms. Bthrm facilities including compost toilet. Addl. Bathhouse holds clawfoot tub and bonus washer/spinner for laundry. Outside kitchen area complete west fire pit and pizza style oven. Woodburn stove heats home with ease, but does not convey with house. For more information